Are you looking for the best tempered glass PC cases in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tempered glass PC cases that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Inwin 301 Tempered Glass PC Case Premium. It is equipped with a shockproof stand that keeps the ring nice and stable. The high-quality materials used in designing this tempered glass premium makes it durable and sturdy for an extended period. Again, the high-quality materials are essential in protecting your hardware, therefore, making it look great. The simple design of this commodity makes it have a clean exterior and a clean-cut appearance. Equally, the tinted tempered glass allows the user to have a clear view of what builds inside and outside. It features a ventilated steel side panel that is supported with thumb screws. In the same way, it features a clean front panel that is designed with an LED display. This product weighs 14.4 pounds and measures 14.6 by 7.4 by 14.3 inches. At number 4, Thermaltake Core P5 Tempered Glass PC Case Edition. This product features a modern design that enables you to build the system. The dismantleable modular design of this great product enables you to craft a system from the ground with the use of racks, modular panels and brackets. Likewise, it is designed to enable you an extensive use. I mean, it can be wall-mounted, vertically, or horizontally placed to give you a clear view. Also, this is a versatile product that has the support for PSU layout when using the ITX motherboard. Most importantly, the modular drive racks are essential in creating a remarkable expansion as you can easily install up to 4 storage devices. Similarly, this tempered glass Thermaltake Core P5 is built to support a I/O liquid cooling system and HDD expansion. Another interesting thing with this product is that it features an advanced ventilation system. At number 3, CORSAIR Tempered Glass PC Case Crystal 570 XRGB. This tempered glass enables a clear view of built-in LED controller and LED fans. Unlike many models in the market, this particular tempered glass case requires minimal setup as it is tool-free drive installation. It is one of the top best products currently trending and boasting in the market. It features 4 tempered glass panels that are equipped on the top, front and sides of the case. Furthermore, it creates an ample space that accommodates up to 6 case fans. The removable fan trays in the front and top of the chassis make this product versatile. Nevertheless, it features a vibrant CORSAIR logo. The PSU cover of this product is removable whereas the case material is made of steel. The Velcro cable straps design is to ensure good management of cables and allow easy access of high-speed USB 3.0 flat panel. To conclude, this item weighs 22.2 pounds and measures 18.8 by 20.1 by 9.2 inches. At number 2, Thermaltake View Dual Tempered Glass PC Cases. This dual tempered glass scooping the second position in the list is convenient and guarantees the durability of the window. The enlarged window is essential for giving a clear display of the components of the liquid cooling system. For instance, the fully modular concept of this product is ideal maximizing and removal of internal space for a custom cooling loop. Again, with this wonderful product, you can easily interchange hard drives to find that which meets your needs. The tempered glass is also equipped with a total of 6 drive bays, 3 which are hidden and 3 which are accessible. Of course, the hidden drive bays are essential for expandability for more liquid cooling components. It features dual GPU replacement and a magnetic fan filter which is good in dust reduction. This is a certified product that features a warranty duration of 10 years. At number 1, MasterBox Pro Mid-Tower Best Tempered Glass PC Case. This product gives you an easy mounting process by rearranging SSDs across motherboard tray. It features RGB fans which are pre-installed behind the front panel to generate a pleasant lighting effect. Sure, this item features brackets enabling it to support up to 3 120mm front fans, 360mm front radiator and one 120mm rear fan for compact cooling. Besides, when you purchase this product, you will receive the RGC connector splitter and 4-pin male-to-male adapters. This unique model of tempered glass can support large high-end components. Equally, this is a straightforward product that is aimed at giving a comfortable interior. To crown it, this item measures 10.7 by 8.7 by 18.7 inches and weighs 19.1 pounds. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.